Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a face logo of someone's face. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First click on File and then click on New. Make your width 1920 pixels, height 1080 pixels, then click OK. Now go to your Adjustments tab and click on Gradient. Now change the style to Radial, make it reverse, and change scale to 258. Then click OK. Now open a face photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. When you opened it, then open your quick selection tool. Now select the subject's face. Now go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. Change the threshold as you like, then click OK. Now go to Select and click on Color Range. Move your fuzziness to all the way to the right and then click OK. Now move your selection at there. Now resize this layer. Now add any type of text below the face. Make sure the color of your text is black. Now move any type of background here which you like. Now select your face layer and text layer and press Ctrl and Command E to merge them. Now move your cursor to the background layer and hold Alt and drag it to face logo layer and click on it. Now resize the background. Now as you guys can see, we have created a face logo. So that's all for now. Meet you in the video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.